Hi, welcome to India Food Network. I'm Kamini Patel, your chef for the day. Click on the bell icon for notifications for my new video. Today we're going to do a whole wheat pear loaf. I've already started by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. We're going to start by greasing and flouring our tin. Just take a little oil in your medium loaf tin. Brush it on all sides and just sprinkle a little flour. It can be whole wheat. Make sure you flour the edges so that your cake can come out smoothly. And then dust off the remaining by turning it over. So you can start by whisking the butter and the sugar together. It's a half cup butter, soft butter, and then half cup brown sugar. And then you just whisk it. And now you add the eggs, 2 eggs. And with the eggs, always add the vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a whisk. Now you can add in your cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, a pinch of nutmeg, and then the orange zest. Since I'm using whole wheat flour tends to be a lot more dense than regular white flour, which is why I like to have a little more of a liquid batter. So I'm going to add the juice of half an orange. Give it another whisk. And now we add the pears. I have 3 pears here, which is roughly 2 cups. And then just fold the pears into your batter and make sure your pears are well coated. So fold it in, and then you add half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. And then fold in 1½ cups of whole wheat flour. This recipe is ideal for children. It's good for breakfast. It's good in your tiffin box, and of course, a midnight treat. And then pour it into your tin. And just spread it slightly, even it out. And then drop the pan a couple of times on your surface. And there you go. And you bake it for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And our cake is now ready. Push the edges. Turn the cake out. Flip the cake over. And now just some powdered icing sugar. And now for a slice. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Like and share this video and subscribe to India Food Network, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.